Welcome to virtual online audio-visual classes of Sai Sanskar School, Haridwar. So students, hope all of you are fine and please keep staying at home. Now let's start today's class regarding phonic sounds. So what are phonic sounds? Phonic sound क्या होती है? जिस तरह हर पक्षी, हर जीव जंतु की अपनी एक विशेष ध्वनि, एक विशेष आवाज होती है। जैसे बिल्ली की आवाज कैसे होती है? म्याऊ म्याऊ। और चिड़िया की आवाज होती है चींची चींची। उसी तरह हर एक अल्फाबेट की भी अपनी एक आवाज होती है जिसे हम phonic sound कहते हैं. That means each and every alphabet has its own phonic sound. So we just go through the letter and their sound. We will say the letter and repeat the sound. Okay? So first we have A. So A sounds eh. A sounds eh. Say with me. A sounds eh. B sounds b. B sounds b. C sounds k. C sounds k. Come and say with me. D sounds d. D sounds d. E sounds eh. E sounds eh. F sounds f. F sounds f. G sounds g. G sounds g. H sounds h. H sounds h when you are tired. So, what you say? So, H sounds h. I sounds e. I sounds e. Say with me. J sounds j. J sounds j. K sounds k. K sounds k. Remember the kite. K sounds k. L sounds l. L sounds l. M sounds m. M sounds m. N sounds n. N sounds n. O sounds o. O sounds o. The mouth must be round just like the alphabet O. So O sounds o. P sounds p. P sounds p. Q sounds qu. Q sounds qu. Remember the duck sound qu qu. Q sounds qu. R sounds r. R sounds r. S sounds s. S sounds s. T sounds U sounds A. V sounds V. V sounds V. W sounds V. W sounds V. X sound X. X sounds X. Y sounds Y. Y sounds Y. And the last you have Z. And the last you have Z. Z sounds Z. Z sounds Z. So, you know all the 26 alphabets. The sounds and the letters combined together, you will be able to make other sounds. And remember, this should be in your mind so that your phonetics comes correctly. Thank you, and do take care of yourself and revise these phonic sounds. Take care. Bye-bye.